Hello everybody, thanks for stopping by. The first thing that we had to do is to create an account with Native Instruments, and then we download Native Access. After installing Native Access, we're going to open it and sign in. On the top right of this window, you're going to find three options: non-install, available updates, and install products. If we click on non-install, you can see that we have 37 non-installed software. Before proceeding with the installation, we're going to click on the right top corner silhouette man and select preference. On this window, we're going to assign the external download location by clicking Browse. In this case, it's the Backup Plus drive. Since I don't have a folder for it, I'm going to create one by clicking a new folder and name it Download Locations. Click Create and Open. The application location will leave it as it is because it's where Native Instruments install the standalone versions of some of the software such as Massive, Guitar Rig, Machine 2, etc. On content location, select Browse. Select Backup Plus Drive. In my case, this time I have a folder created. I'll select it and click Open and then click Save. All we have to do now is press Install All. I'm just going to double check locations and confirm. The installation process will begin. It might take a little while, so ideally is to do this overnight or just to do it before going out. So I upgrade Komplete 11 to Komplete 13 and I receive a physical box, which I wasn't expecting. I thought I was going to be able to download from the web, but anywho. In the box you're going to find a USB hard drive, a card with serial number, and an adapter to connect USB to USB Type-C. This hard drive contains all the new software that you need to install on your computer. Even though it's not visible, there's probably a hidden folder in there because the hard drive is supposed to be 211 gigabytes, but we're only using 100 megabytes. So, but it's okay. All right, we're gonna connect it to the computer and open Native Access. As soon as you open Native Access, it will prompt you to enter the serial number. Once entered, it will verify and complete the registration. Now you can proceed with installation. Click Install All. You can double check installation location and proceed with the installation unless otherwise. While installing, you can see on the different folders that I have how software and standalone versions are being added to your computer. The same thing in Pro Tools. I'll show you what I have so far, and at the end of the installation, I'll show you the rest. In this case, the drummer summary is the new addition to my library. At the end of the installation, you should see this message. This is how it looks compared to the beginning of installation. The same thing for the standalone version. We have plenty of software and tools to use to produce music. I open Guitar Rig so you just to show you, and in Pro Tools as well. This is a standalone version of Guitar Rig, and you can also use it in Pro Tools. Okay, so now I'm gonna move my libraries from one hard drive to another one. The reason why is because I have 8011 is all my libraries from different programs like Ableton Live, Logic Pro, and of course Native Instruments. So, and this is a T5 by Samsung and it's only 500 gigabytes. So I upgraded to my version 13. So I'm gonna use more. I need more space. So now I got this T7, which is actually a 1 terabyte, which give me more space to save in. Of course, a little bit more faster than the T5, which is ideally when you are using these libraries. So you want all your samples to be called a little bit faster. So what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna open NI Share, which it should be labeled as a NI content location. It's gonna grab them all and I'm gonna throw them in here. This might take a couple minutes, maybe 30 minutes or more, or an hour. Oh, 5 minutes. Great, cool. So it's really fast. I mean, both drives are really fast, so that's why it's taking so little time to do it. All right, so I'm gonna stop for a bit and come back in a few minutes, and we're gonna relink. Since I moved this library from one place to another, I need to relocate it on the Native Access application. Okay, 5 minutes up, and then all the files has been being copied from one hard drive to another. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna quit this hard drive. Hopefully it doesn't let me quit it. Let's see. So I just eject the hard drive. So now I'm gonna open Native Access, and now you can see all these all these softwares, they need to be repaired. That means they need to be relocated. So what I'm gonna do, it says relocate all. I'm gonna click relocate all, and I'm gonna select a different location. Okay, I'm gonna select my new library, which is right here. And I'm gonna click open, relocate. So that basically, it says successfully located the installation path for 25's content library. Could not locate to, please choose another location. Okay, I'm gonna skip that for now. I'm gonna see which one it is. Let's preview, and I'm gonna click here. What I can do is actually relocate again, trying to do it again. Oh yeah, so it's right here. It's right here, it should be right here. So I'm gonna click open. And nothing happens. Same for review. Relocate. And nothing happened. So what I can do is actually reinstall. I'm gonna reinstall, and I'm gonna reinstall again. See, that's not happening. So it might take a few minutes, but basically all my software has been transferred to another locations. So we can go over here and then click on preference to make sure the locations are where it's supposed to be. And apparently they're not. For some reason, location has been changed on the download and the content location to the hard drive of the computer. So I had to go back and select my new location, which is the T7 for both of them. This is for future reference, I mean for the future installation, because I just upgrade from Komplete 11 to 13, and what I'm doing right now is using my laptop. The previous video was actually my desktop, so I still need to download 80 software into this computer, so I just want to make sure that my locations are where it's supposed to be, and that's pretty much it. That's how you transfer libraries from one hard drive to another one. Okay, just always make sure that on your preference you have the right path to where they're supposed to be, and you should be fine. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please put a thumbs up, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.